Hello.
Hello.
Would you share a bit about yourself?
Yeah, I can share. Actually, my name is Ismail. I'm from Tanzania.
That's awesome. How did you hear about SDU?
I heard about SDU from my classmates. It was my first time to hear from them that there's a university in Kazakhstan.
So what's your major?
My major is physics informatics.
Interesting. All right, next question is, what's your most memorable moment at SDU?
The most memorable moment at SDU is these international activities. Just going and exploring Kazakhstan. For example, going to mountains, skiing, like that, hiking, as well as riding horses. It was my first time.
Okay, I see. Do you participate in any student events or clubs at SDU, and which ones?
Actually, I participated in student activities, mostly events like cultural activities. It's very popular here at SDU. We show different cultures from our country, like Kazakhstan cultures, playing dombras. It was my first time to listen.
Okay, awesome. Any advice for other international students applying to SDU?
Actually, I would advise most of the international students that will want to come to Kazakhstan. It's good, wonderful, but they need to prepare about the issue of language. It's not hard, but kind of challenging to adapt to new languages.
Okay, awesome. Then the very last one, would you like to say hello to your home friends and family?
Yeah.
Okay, in your own language.
It's okay. Mambo, habari zenu, familia yangu. Ningependa kuwajulisha kwamba ni mzima na mnakaribishwa Kazakhstan. Ni sehemu nzuri kwa ajili yenu.